Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have a very beautiful and amazing story of Shafi Vikramam. Shafi Vikramam is in his mid-50s and he has done 145 courses from 16 countries, or over 16 countries, from the universities like Yale, Princeton, and many other reputed and prestigious universities. He did courses from Coursera, and there are so many websites from which he has done. He has done these courses in lockdown. He said that my love for learning, and I really wanted to learn so many things in my life which I couldn't do because of my work engagements and everything. So he's working, of course he's working. So during lockdown he has just got a chance to enhance his knowledge, which he always wanted to. So now he's doing that. Isn't it amazing, beautiful, and I mean inspiring that we can do whatever we want to do at any age? When people think that now our children will study and they will get married, or they should do this, they should do that, he is not the one. He said he might have thought that it's my life, I can't force something on someone. That's what people generally do. I have not done this, my children will do. Why? They will also not do. It's their life, right? So today again we will discuss about Guru Gobind Singh Ji's life. I mean, as I already told you, three qualities of falcon, why he kept falcon on his hand and always with him. So other three qualities. Next three qualities are detachment. Guru Gobind Singh Ji has taught us detachment with his own life also, with his own life story. At the age of 9, he has asked his father to sacrifice his life. He has sacrificed his all the 4 sons. He has sacrificed his mother. He has sacrificed his whole family on this nation, you can say, or universe, or to protect self-respect of everyone, of every individual. So that's the beautiful lesson which we have learned, that detachment, because he knew they have not gone anywhere. They are here in this universe. So that's the detachment. And even if you see falcon, they practice detachment. They never have one particular home. You should have a freedom of spreading your happiness, spreading your wings everywhere on this planet, and you need to grow in terms of grow. Then resilience. If you know, falcon has one very beautiful quality that it always flows opposite, it always fly opposite the direction, opposite the wind. It never fly with the direction of wind. So when if you see any falcon, they always fly opposite. So it teaches us that we should be resilient. We should be resilient to everything in our life. So no matter whatever stressful situations are there, we are stronger than those situations, and we should not always, however, when there are stressful situations and everyone says, oh my God, nowadays when it's this disease is spreading, so everyone is, oh my God, even they are not having, with their thoughts and mind, they will create. So be someone who can change the flow, be a game changer, right? Then there is another quality, which is courage, right? So courage is a very beautiful quality. If you have seen any Nat Geo, Discovery, any channel, so on that also they have shown that falcon never ever is having any fear, no matter whatever is the prey, either big, small, whatever, even bigger than their size, they always attack on their prey with that passion. As in, if anyone harms falcon, so they will definitely keep their focus on that prey, and it doesn't matter. So what it teaches us, you are bigger than life. I mean, even if you have any problem, if you have any difficulty, and if you want something in life, you should not be having these notions, oh my God, I'm so small, oh my God, I don't have money, oh my God, I don't have this, I don't have, you should never say I don't have. You should always have. You should have courage. That's why Guru Gobind Singh Ji always taught us, "Sawa lakh se ek ladaun, tabi Gobind Singh naam kahaun." And he has sacrificed all his sarbans. It's a saying, right? So still he is worshipped. So if you really want to leave your legacy and people to talk about you, you should be a falcon. like falcon, adapt these qualities. So there are other qualities also which we'll discuss tomorrow, and on that note we will be finishing off qualities of falcon. So it's really amazing to see that this bird, why Guruji has kept. So there are so many lessons which it has taught, right? So we will revise today's lesson. It's courage, resilience, and then detachment, right? So first we have learned detachment, that we should not be attached. Then we have learned resilience, that we should, if everyone is going wrong way, you can actually take a right way and you can actually fly opposite. And then it's courage, right? So you just need to follow these three and just see your life changing and happening. Yeah. And I told you, self-reliant is the best lesson which we can learn from a falcon. And we'll see you tomorrow with a new story and with new lessons which we have learned from falcon. So thank you so much for all your love, for all your blessings. So keep on spreading these wellness mantras to everyone and keep on sharing these videos to anyone. So bye bye, take care.